Right. So, yeah, I think we have stopped here, right? So lead status and all, right? So lead status, stages and all, right? So setting the stages where we have added one option for revoke, right? So this is what something which we have added here. Next, if you want to update the opportunity stages, right? So if you want to update any kind of opportunity stages and all, here we need to develop the solution for the project. This is the requirement. This is what something being a business analyst we need to be performed. Means these are some qualification criteria or the conditions, whatever the required conditions which has to be updated. So all these are the updations and all everything is what something we have to be mentioned in the opportunity stages. Because the stage of the opportunity, what we have taken, either it can be qualify, meet or present or proposed and all. So the description or the solution for this particular project has to be given by the BA. Because end of the day, being a business analyst, we will be moving on towards the business solution part. So here we need to mention the description for a particular thing. For example, qualify based on the uh, area of services are we providing. Okay, for example, right? So this is generally a description which was written, right? So meet and present. Uh, Virtual meetings followed by in-person contact. These are based on our requirements, right? So we are writing it all that, right? So propose. Uh, Proposal based on the initial requirement. Yeah. So it is gathered. Negotiate on terms and conditions. Okay. Closed one, closed lost. These are upon conditions. Okay. There is no specific this thing. Okay. Upon condition it is, right? So both are the same. Okay. Now, if you want to add any kind of stage name and all everything, we can add it. Okay. That is obvious. That is add-on. Okay. Whenever we are updating this customization of the lead status and all everything. So this we can add it upon your requirement. We can be added. At the same time, when it comes to the opportunity stages and all everything, these descriptions is what something which being a business analyst we are writing. So, for example, closed won or closed lost, these are all still it is in the open state because initially we are creating a project wherein we have to open all these in the open state because you are not closing or winning or lost, right? So won or lost based on the interaction, based on the process which team has followed, sales team has followed or something like, so they will decide whether this lead is closed or one lost, right? So that will be done by them. But till now, whatever the qualification, right? So meeting and present, propose, negotiate. At the same time, if there is any other additional sales stages you want to keep it, right? For example, I'm one more. I'm just creating it as hold. Okay, one more. Right. So hold stage I'm creating. Right. So right when we are not clear on the needs, finally right? So this is where generally we are keeping it as a hold, right? So hold means that can be done later. Closed one, closed last, anyway, that is already there, right? So you don't require to go for open and close because this is itself is called as closed one. This itself is called as closed last. Okay, this is what we have done. Right, so sales stages were done. Okay, sales stages were created. So fields we have created. At the same time, sales stages was created already. Now, when it comes to the users, right? So users already I told you, right? So user, admin user is as separate. Just give me a minute. Right, so admin user, right? So if you want to add any, invite any members, already last time in the last session, I already told you. If you want to add any kind of users and all everything, we can add it. Okay, so we can add users also. Standard user because admin yeah, standard user we can give. Send on invitation. I already shown you last time, right? So we'll send the invitation. Once it is accepted, they can add it. Okay, that's what something we can do it. So this is what we do. We can add the members, right? So who are the members and all everything we have added. Because normally one person will be the admin, remaining people are the users. Admin, whoever have the control over the application, and the remaining people are different. Now, business details.
So your voice is kind of break up.
Is my voice is echoing? Is my voice is echoing? Bhavik.
You're
Voice
breaking really bad. It's really breaking.
Yes, sir. Nothing
So,
could be
yeah.
understood at that time.
is it fine now? Still the same.
Sir, it's still breaking, jarring very bad. Yeah, now it's fine. When you ask about your voice, it comes fine. When you're teaching, it breaks.
How about now? How about now?
It's better, sir. And now it sounds better.
It's better now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's clear now.
Okay, fine. Right. So yeah. Right. So if there is any business details you want to be mentioned, and if you want to update any kind of address or something of that sort, we can add it, right? So followed by the numbers, etc. All that, right? So you can, right? So some number you can give, right? So I'm not writing the name actual ones and just writing something. Okay. For example, right? So business details you want to mention, wherein we can update the business details over here. No thanks. Okay. So business details is what something which we can add, right? So you can contact information, right? So all these informations we can update in this regard. So these are the basic settings which being into business analyst we have to work on, because whenever they are working on leads, especially being into the development team or the users, whenever whoever are using the application, it's always important for us to customize the leads, customize the fields, etc. Field customization, these are the four major areas where we have to do the customization being a BA. One is about the opportunities wherein we have to make some changes in that. At the same time, we have to make some customization in the accounts. Customization of the fields I'm talking about in accounts. Next is contacts. The next one about the leads. So these are the four major custom fields which we have to create, especially whenever we are working on the role of a business analyst. These are the major things which being into. So these are the requirements we have gathered or we have taken from the customer. So these are the fields and all everything is what something which we have to be added. Right. So is it clear? Bhavik, Garima, Lola, clear?
Yes.
Right. So this is all about and today and tomorrow I'll be going with some other one, because these are all the quick settings we have already done with. And tomorrow I'll be going with the other one. Okay. Because we have created accounts here. Right? So we have created contacts. We have created the leads. Okay. At the same time, we have done with settings, right? So whatever the required field settings you want to be made, right? So that part I have discussed today. And tomorrow I'll come up with, go with one more topic. I think today, Arshad is breaking a lot, right? So tomorrow we'll connect, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Clear? Any questions? Please go ahead. Please go ahead if you have any questions.
Sorry, sir. Do we have a course outline for the salesforce or salesforce?
Sorry?
Hello?
Can you chat your,
Ah,
can
you're
you
breaking
text?
up. I didn't hear what you said. So I'm just trying to know if there is a course outline for salesforce that we can just look at to know the
What are
topics
all
we
is,
have to cover.
what are all is covered, you can see there. I will forward. Okay. What are all is covered, you can go through that. Yeah, I'll forward. What I'm saying is I'll
I
forward.
will ask again.
Check. What I'm saying is I'll forward, you can check. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Because today there is a lot of.
Okay, all right. Yeah.
Anyway,
Thank
I'll
you.
forward, you can check. Whatever
Yeah.
I supposed to cover, you can check in that. Okay. I'll be forwarding this to Mr. Sudesh regarding this. Okay. I'll be forwarding this to Mr. Sudesh. You can check.
Yeah, just as a guideline to know what we will do next.
So
Yeah.
whatever I'm covering now and whatever I'm supposed to cover.
All right. Thank
will
you.
be knowing there. The course outline I'll forward to Mr. Sudesh. Okay. Okay then. See you. Bye. Okay, see you then. Right, Babik? Right, Garima? Right, Lola?
Okay. Yes. Thank you.